If you want to upload a high-quality video on Google Drive, this tutorial will walk you through the simplest way to do it without losing the original file quality. This is great if you want to store videos safely, share them with others, or keep a backup of your content in full resolution. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in just a few moments. Once you're inside Google Drive, you'll see your main storage area and all your files. Now, to upload your video, look for the plus new button in the top left corner of the screen. Click that button and a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file directly from your computer. Next, your computer's file browser will open. Find the original video file you want to upload. For the best quality, always choose the original exported file from your computer rather than a compressed version. The original file keeps the highest possible resolution, sound quality, and overall video clarity. Once you've selected the correct video, click Open. At this point, Google Drive will begin uploading your file. The upload speed will depend on the size of your video and your internet connection, so if the file is large, give it a little time to finish. You can watch the progress in the lower right corner of the screen. Just let it complete fully before closing the browser or moving away from the page. After the upload is finished, your video will appear in Google Drive. You can click on the file to preview it, share it with others, or organize it into folders. If you want to keep things neat, you can also drag it into a specific folder after uploading. Here's a quick tip. If your goal is to preserve quality, avoid downloading and re-uploading the same video multiple times, because that can sometimes cause compression or file changes depending on the source. Instead, always upload the original file directly from your device whenever possible. And that's it. You've now uploaded a high-quality video to Google Drive the right way. It's fast, simple, and perfect for backups, sharing, and storage. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.